Okay, guys, here we are with another review. And this review is from Amazon. I already opened the bag, but I never opened the package. And this is actually for a model that wants a wig. And I'm like, okay, it's last minute. Let's order it from Amazon because it's last minute, you know? So I'm like, okay. So here we go. And this here is from, I'm going to give you guys the description and everything where this here came from off of Amazon. But I still got the frog in my throat, guys, so pain in the mind. All right, so, but first I get into the video, I would like to say, please like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you leave a comment on the video. And I'm begging for likes, guys. Bring this video to at least 300 likes. I'm doing a review of that for you guys. I am actually taking the L for you guys because sometimes you don't even know what we stylists go through to get the hair on time. Clients get to us late and it's just crazy. But anyway, I'm going to get right into the unboxing because I know you guys want to see. And this hair is 100% human, they claim. And it's from this place on Amazon. I'm about to read you guys the place where it's from. They said it is actually from Van Love Store. 10A Brazilian Deepwave, 2 bundles, human hair with frontal and wavy human hair bundles with 3-part lace frontal and processed virgin Deepwave lace frontal. They got all kinds of stuff mixed into the description, but the hair is from Van Love. That's on, I guess they have a store on Amazon. So we're going to open the bundles right now and see what's the tea. But first, we're going to go with the frontal. So this is a 12-inch frontal natural. And guys, it's from Van Love. V-A-N-L-O-V. Is there an E? Nope, there's no E. It's V-A-N-L-O-V store. Van Love store on Amazon. And it's so weird that when I try to put like a hashtag or an @ sign with the Amazon store, they don't do that for the US. You see Amazon India, Amazon this country, that country, but nothing for the US. I'm not understanding why, because I would like to @ Amazon in their products that I buy from them on YouTube, but we'll get into that in another video. But this is the lace that actually came. So 2 bundles came. With the lace. So I ordered 2 bundles and I ordered the lace. The lace, I'm going to say, is okay because the person I am doing it on, she is dark brown, a little bit darker than me, so this will match up to her, and I'm not worried about it. So let's take this out of the package and see what's going on. The lace so far, the color, it's not an HD, but it's not bad. So this is the lace, which I like. I think it's nice. The curl pattern is good on the lace. Let me pull out the curls and see what's tea so far, but I feel like this is an okay lace for the price that we paid and for the time that she needs it. I think this is not bad. Of course, I'm going to handle that. That's going to look like that when I'm done. Okay? So the lace, I'm going to give, and this is a 13x4 deep wave. I actually like the curls. The curl is really nice, and I know the style of my model, my client, so I know this will work perfectly for her. Yes, and I'm actually going to color it, and I'm going to do a video of it, you guys, so you guys are going to see the outcome of that. All right, so what I be worried about is the bundles. So here we go. 16 inches. I'm gathering that this is a 12 inch. I don't know why it should have been a 14, but it's actually a 12. But that's good too. But I'm not gonna lie, this lace looks good for it to not to be in HD. It really does. And I'm gonna do a video so you guys can see how the lace came out and all that good stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna open the bundle and let's see the tea on this. This is a 16-inch style deep wave, 100% human hair quality. All right, I'm already seeing something I really don't like, but let's take the net off and see. And we have two of these, and they're both, I want to say 16 inches. Oh, the other one's 14, so this one's a little shorter. Perfect. But I'm already not feeling that, guys. You see that? I don't know, Yen Love. We got to get that in order. So let's see if, even if we cut that off, if the rest of the bundle would be fine. So let's open that up. And it's crazy because the bundles actually feel good. I don't know why the ends were like that, but I guess after I make the model's unit, I can just trim that off. But even looking at it right now, it doesn't look crazy. It doesn't. Wow. Yen Love. I thought this video was going to be at least a 4.5, 5 out of 10. But I'm going to give you guys like an 8 to be Amazon last minute. Look at the quality of that. But I'm going to color that. I'm going to color it, and you guys are going to see that in the upcoming video. So make sure you guys are make sure you guys have your post notifications on, so when I upload a video, you guys are sure to see it, because you guys need to be in the, come on, you guys need to know when stuff is going down. So I'm not going to lie, I really love this. So this is the 16 inch. I'm going to open the 14 inch because I thought they were both the same inches, but this one's a 14 inch. So I'm going to open the 14 inch to see if it's the same. They package it really nicely in a net. 100% top quality human hair. And I'm kind of believing it. I'm kind of believing it. I like the quality of the hair. Even though the ends are kind of crazy, I could always trim that off. But the hair itself is awesome. I really like it. And this is the 14 inch. So guys, I'm actually going to start the wig off with the 14 inch and finish it off with the 16. And then trim the ends up. And I'm feeling like the lace is a 12 inch. So yeah, I'm going to start off with the 14 inch. Finish it off with the 16, and this is the lace is a 12, and then I'll show you guys in the next video. But yeah, this hair is good, so let's open it up. And it's so soft. Dang, it's soft. I feel like this is a good buy, guys. This is definitely a good buy. If you want to make a wig or sew this in, and I'm not going to give you guys like, oh, yeah, this is great, because obviously I haven't made the wig with it yet, or haven't installed it on someone yet. So I don't know if the longevities, all of that great. But as being a hairstylist for so long, I can automatically tell. I can automatically tell that this hair is good quality and it will give you some longevity. So I feel like you guys should go over to Amazon and, guys, don't mind my phone. This phone is crazy. And don't mind my nails, guys. Long story, but we'll get into that into other videos. All right, so visit the store, Van Love Store, VANLOV, on Amazon.com. I feel like you guys won't regret it. I really love the texture of the hair. This hair I'm going to use this hair to make a wig for a client, and it's actually going to be colored. So I'm going to take my handlers along for the ride with me. You guys are going to see the full transformation of this, but even look at the bounciness, and it already has like an original shine. Don't you guys think? Yeah, I like this. And I can't wait to do the lace with you guys so you guys can see how I handle this. Yeah, I'm going to take care of that real nice. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and go over to Van Love on Amazon.com. I'm feeling like you won't regret it. And make sure you have your post notifications on. Make sure you have your post notifications on, because in 2023, there's going to be giveaways, and you would need to be subscribed to the channel for at least 2 months at least. So I'm giving guys a chance to get their things and their stuff together, because there are going to be some great giveaways on my channel. So you guys make sure you're subscribed. All right, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. And I hope you like this review. Look how shiny the hair is. I'm going to give this hair the benefit of the doubt. And this hair I'm going to give at least an 8 out of 10 right now. And we'll see after making the wig what's the, Anyway, love you guys, and I see you guys in the next video. And I'll just see you guys in the next video. This was a short little thingy. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.